Good afternoon, everyone. I want every child to sit in a prayerful posture. We will begin the day with a prayer. Keep hands on your lap, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer. Dear God, thank you for this beautiful day. Help us to understand what is taught today so that it becomes very easy and we learn it and understand it in a very easy way. Dear God, keep your loving hand on each one of us so that whatever topic is there, we are able to understand it. Keep your loving hand on each one of us. Now we'll say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now, my dear students, I will share my screen with you and we will start with the new topic today. In the previous class, you have done about joints and skeletal system. Today, we will start with another topic, that is cartilage. Okay. Rohani Verma, unmute yourself, beta. Rohani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute. Japneet, you also unmute yourself. I've given you permission. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen to me. First, we have started with the topic cartilage. Now, cartilage are the soft bones. Now, when you will press your nose or the ear bone, you will see the frontal part of the nose. You are able to press it. Try to press it. You are able to press the front part of the nose. Or try to press it. Are you able to do it? Yes, we are able to do it. Even the ear also, you can turn it up, down. Ear also, na? So they are having the soft bone known as cartilage. Okay. Ruhani, you start from here. Which connective tissue is essential?
Yes, ma'am.
Start, beta.
Connective tissue is essential for our bodies or function properly.
To
Bones,
function,
connective
beta, to
tissue,
function properly. To function is written, bachche. Okay, okay. Read.
to function properly.
Yes.
Bone, connective tissue provides
Connective.
structure.
Connective.
Connective tissue, connective tissue provides structure and support. Or fat. Connect,
Adipose or fat. When you will go to higher classes, you will study about, you will not say fat. There you will say adipose tissue. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Hey, beta, now read. Read from here. Connective tissue insulates. Read from here.
Connective tissue insulate and provide energy, and blood conductive tissue disturbs oxygen,
Distributes. Distributes.
distribute, distributes oxygen to our tissues and remove carbon dioxide. Another integral,
Integral. Integral.
integral type of connective tissue is cartilage.
Yes. Now they are saying connective tissues are the type of tissues with whom our body parts are connected with one another. So first they have given about bone. Bone is a connective tissue which gives the shape and structure and support to our body. And connective tissue insulate. Insulate means stops, blocks, and provides whatever unnecessary fats are needed. It blocks and provide energy. And the blood connective tissue helps in distributing oxygen to all the tissues and removes the carbon dioxide from our body. And the other connective tissue is cartilage. Now what we have to study about? Cartilage. Okay, beta. Japneet, you start the next paragraph. The main structural. Japneet, start, beta. I think so. She has muted herself. 1 minute. Japneet, I have given you permission. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache.
Yes, ma'am. The main structural components of our body are bone, muscles, and cartilage.
Yes.
Bones are rigid, while muscles bend, stretch, and are flexible.
Yes. Now what they are saying?
Cartil-
We are having in our bodies different structures, components are there. They are bone, muscles, and cartilage. You know, bone is only giving shape and hardness to our body. So bones are rigid. Rigid means very hard. While muscles are there which help us to bend, stretch, all the actions we can do with the help of muscles, and they are flexible. Okay, read from here, beta. Cartilage.
Cartilage connective tissue is the perfect halfway point between these other tissues. It is not as rigid as a hard bone and flexibility as well. This includes places such as our joints, our ears, and our nose, as well as in between the vertebrae in our
Vertebral
spinal
column.
cord.
Now what they are saying is cartilage are not very hard like the bones inside a body. They are soft. Where are these found? You have missed one line. Therefore, we find cartilage in places where we need some support. So where the
This,
support is needed, in that parts the cartilage is present. And where are that parts? Joints, ears, nose, as well as the backbone. Vertebral column is a backbone, okay, which we call it spinal cord.
yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Now you understood what is cartilage.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Udita Mahajan, unmute yourself, beta. Okay, Japneet, you mute yourself now.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me, beta, where this cartilage are found? Which parts the cartilage is found? Just see the screen.
Spinal cord,
Yes. What else? Other also are there. See the last line.
ears, nose,
Ears.
in joint.
Yes, our joints, ears, nose, as well as our backbone. Fine.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Understood about cartilage now? Having any problem in cartilage?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Supriya, unmute yourself. Supriya, unmute
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
Okay, bache.
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
share my screen with you. Just a second. And then you just give me a second. I have to share my another screen with you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Please read what is given there.
Animals move in so many different ways. Their bodies adapting to different environments.
Yes. So animals are different ways are there for the animals. And when we are talking about animals, we will talk about the birds also. So they are having particular organs inside their body which help them to survive there. You have heard about birds, seed birds flying in the air. We cannot fly in the air. Fish is there. It remains in the water for many, many years. Whole life is there and they spend their life in water because they have particular organ, fins, gills. Okay. So read Supriya. Birds have
Birds have wings to fly in the air. Fish have fins to swim in the sea, and many animals have legs to walk on the ground.
these are mammals, not animals. What is written? Mammals. What is written? Mammals.
Mammals.
Okay, they are also like animals only. Okay, Bhumika Baloria, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 minute, bacha. 1 minute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
1 minute, bache. Yes, say beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Say bache.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of adapting?
Yes,
Adapting means when you are living in that environment. Like at now time, if summer will be there, what you will do? You will try.
voice is not audible.
What bache? Now you are able to hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Now adapting means how you are making yourself.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible to me.
Bhumika, what do you want, bacha?
मैं करूंगी तो मेरा picture mute हो जाएगा.
Bhumika, you want something? What you were saying? You were saying something.
Ma'am,
Say, beta.
Unmute हो.
Okay. So adapting means when we are able to
Your
live.
voice is not coming.
Voice, bache, maybe you're from your side network issues there. Okay, Kashvi, unmute yourself. Are you able
Ma'am,
to?
adapting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Okay, so mammals.
Ma'am, your voice not coming.
Bache, now you are able to hear me. Bhumika, I'm asking you. You are not giving me the answer, na beta. I'm asking you. Are you able to hear my voice now? Maybe some network problem is there from your side, na bache.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the meaning of adapting? You have not explained.
I was explaining, so in between somebody was speaking, na, so that's why I stopped. Adapting means when you are able to live in that environment. Like summers are there, we adjust according to summers. Like we love to on the fan, ACs, wear summer clothes, and when winters comes, we try to live in that type of environment. So that
But to me it is not coming.
okay, Bhumika, you mute yourself for some time. Maybe some network issue is there from your side, bache. Okay, Kashvi, you
Yes, ma'am.
You read from here. Now mammals are there, which are
Yes, ma'am.
yielding animals, which give milk also to their babies. Okay. So start from
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
Start from humans.
Humans have looked to the animal kingdom throughout history to use their unique and adaptable movement to help us.
So they what they are saying, animals are there every time ready to help us. So as a human being, we are from many generation onwards, we are hearing about some are keeping pets at home, some are giving food to the animals, some are giving little bit food to the birds also, keeping water for the birds.
It is little bit clear.
Okay, so they are helping the animals to survive and helping them also. So they are having the unique quality of adapting themselves according to the environment. Sometimes you are able to see particular type of birds in summers only, but you are not able to see that bird in the winter. So they migrate from one place to another. Okay, bache, now I'll give chance to Suhavi, unmute yourself. Suhavi, faster, beta.
Ma'am, now also it is not coming.
Bhumika, are you able to read now? Bhumika Baloria, you want to read?
Ma'am, can I read?
No,
Bache, I
ma'am.
am speaking your name only. Read from here we use. Some network problem from your side only, bache. So Havi is not unmuting. I don't know where she has disappeared herself. Okay. Bani Kaur, unmute yourself. Gungun, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Suhana, unmute yourself. Okay, Bani, you have unmuted. Gungun has unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Not unmuted. So Bani, you read from here we use.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Suhana, wait for a minute. Bani's turn is there. Then I'll give you turn to speak. Say, beta, we use. Bani, start reading, bache. See the screen and read. We use. Keep your mouth in front of the mic and tell your younger brother or sister not to disturb.
We use
Suba, particular type of bird.
we
Diving,
use scuba
diving
scuba diving
equipment.
equipment
Yes.
to breathe underwater.
Water. Like we say then I'll explain you. Read बच्चे पढ़ो ना.
Yes, ma'am. And build planes to fly in the air.
Yes, we are having particular things to dive in water. So it is written we use scuba diving equipment. Scuba diving means like.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bache.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of equipment?
The things which we are using, bache. 1 minute, I'll let you know.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the meaning of Suba?
Scuba diving means particular type of suit we are wearing. You have seen in the movies when people have to dive in the water, jump in the water to swim to seas. What they do, they wear particular type of dress.
Yes, ma'am.
Diving, so they wear and flap that Flippers are there in their feet also, so that they're able to swim like fish. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
that is the particular equipment, means particular type of dress they are having, which they are wearing, and then they are wearing the oxygen cylinder also in front of the mouth, so that they are able to breathe properly underwater. Understood, beta? And we are having special aeroplanes also to fly in the air. We cannot fly in the air. Only birds,
Yes, ma'am.
aeroplanes, helicopters, these things
Yes,
we fly
ma'am.
in the air. Okay. From here we even read from here we even.
Ma'am, me?
Achha, who was reading? Bani was reading, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Bani was reading.
Okay, okay. Read, Bani.
We even make robots which can move like insects. Many animals can move from one environment to the other
Using
using
features
features
designed for
designed for
incredible
incredible
evolutionary
revolutionary
purposes. Okay, now wait here. Now what it means, animals can move from one environment to the other, which I gave you the example. Like some animals are found in particular season, another season the animal is not found. So they know how to adapt or adjust themselves according to the environment. Bani, you mute yourself, bache. From your side, disturbance is coming, beta. Bani, mute. Okay. Suhana, now can you tell me which
Ma'am?
particular organ the fish is having to swim in the water? See the screen?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bache.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of evolutionary?
Evolution means how the organism are evolved. कैसे वो बने थे? जैसे वो बने, they are living according to that. If I am a fish, so I know how to swim in the water. Okay, I
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
survive outside the water, na? So how the organisms are
Yes,
made?
ma'am.
It is written using features, design. That means particular organs are designed in their bodies, how they are evolved, and they can live according to that only. They cannot change
Ma'am, what
themselves.
is the meaning of one how to?
This is something which I have to add, but it is not related to you. So you have to learn till here only evolutionary purposes. Okay.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
word is not correct. Okay, Suhana, are you there, bache?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me the organ of the fish. Which organ fish has
Ma'am.
to swim in the water?
Ma'am, fins.
Okay. And what type of body fish is having? You have seen the shape of the fish. Particular shape the fish is having. What type of shape it is?
Yes, ma'am. Now
Streamline.
the voice is coming.
Streamline body, beta. Bhumika, you are there?
Ma'am, your voice is coming clearly.
Okay, maybe beta from her side, maybe network issue is there, na? So we cannot say anything. Okay. So understood, animals are having different ways, and fish is there. It is having streamlined body, which helps
Okay,
them
ma'am.
to live in the water and to swim in the water. So Anna, do you know the spelling of streamline?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, beta.
Yes, ma'am. STREAMLINE.
Yes, very good. STREAM, stream, LINE, streamline. That means from both the side, the body of the fish is pointed. That's why it is known as streamline. Okay, so Anna, you mute yourself, bache. Some vehicle
Okay,
sound
ma'am.
is coming from your side.
Now your voice clear to me.
Okay, Bhumika, wait for a minute, bache. I have to share my screen now. Then I will give you chance to speak. Okay, beta? One minute. Okay, I will unmute now. Gursis, unmute yourself. Arshdeep, unmute yourself. I've given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Bhumika, you are
Ma'am?
there, beta. Who is saying excuse me, ma'am? Kun, you are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bache.
Ma'am, my turn didn't come.
1 minute, bache. That's why I was asking, na, whose turn did not come. Nobody was speaking, so I thought, okay,
Ma'am,
wait.
my turn.
Okay, बच्चे, okay, Gungun, wait for a minute. Udita, no, Gungun. Now, are you able to see the screen which I have shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't raise the hand, then you will create problem for me. Then ma'am is not giving me chance. So wait, bache, I have to give chance to all those who did not get chance in the previous class. Okay. Okay, Gungun, you read this question which is on the screen.
Yes, ma'am. How do the bones of the human skeleton move?
Yes, we are in our body, everywhere bones are present. So how do these bones in the human body move? Read from here, first line.
Skeletal muscles contract and relax to
Mechanically.
mechanically move the body.
Okay, wait now,
Mechanically
bache.
move the
Read
body.
one sentence and then wait so that I can explain. So skeletal muscles, they are saying muscles which are present inside our body, they contract also. That means they do work also. They relax also. According to the, like it is like a machine working for us, for our body. So you have seen the muscles. When we show the muscles to the other person, what we do? We raise our arm upward. So it gets swollen. That part gets swollen. They are the biceps, and the part which is relaxing are known as triceps, which you have studied. We'll study here the muscle topic we will discuss. Okay. So muscles are there which contract and relax inside our body. And when we bend our arms or legs, when we are moving our arms or legs, that time contraction. Whose disturbance is coming, bache? Whose disturbance is coming? So much disturbance is coming. Supriya.
Ma'am Udita.
Udita, why
Ma'am
so much
Udita.
disturbance? Udita, why so much disturbance is coming, beta? Okay, now fine. So when we bend our arms or legs, that time our muscles are working. That is known as contraction. Okay. Who was speaking? Which child was speaking? I think so. Gungun was there, na? Gungun,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Ma'am, your voice not coming.
Bhumika, only you are not able to hear, bache. From your side, only some problem is there. Every child is able to hear me now, na? So from your side,
Yes,
only maybe some
ma'am.
network issue is there.
Yes,
bache.
ma'am.
So wait for some time. What to do? Okay. Okay, Gungun, read the next line. Messages from the nervous system.
Ma'am, messages from the nervous system cause these muscle contractions.
So what is the very important organ inside our body is the brain. When brain give message to our muscles, that time our muscles perform the function. How we have to move, how we have to bend our leg, how we have to bend our knee. So that is known as contraction. And when the muscles have to contract, when they have to do the work, they become shorter and stiff. When you are showing muscles to the other, you just raise your arm forward, upward. What you will do? You just press it, that particular part will become very hard. Okay, so it becomes shorter and stiff. Why? Because it pulls the bone. Why it is becoming harder, stiff? Because it pulls the bone by using muscular energy. When we are moving our muscles, what type of energy we are using? Muscular energy. Udita, are you there, beta? Udita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. When the muscles are contracting, what type of energy we are using? Muscular energy.
Muscular energy.
Why? Because the muscles are doing work. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So muscles every time do work in pairs. Now what is the meaning of pair? When the muscle is like, when we are showing muscles to the other person of our arm, and when we are folding our hand little bit forward, what happens? The upper part of our arm becomes contract. It is contracting. That means it is performing work. And the down part is known as tricep. It is relaxed. So contraction and relaxation takes place when the muscles are working. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? We in the
Yes, ma'am.
muscular energy,
Yes.
when we are using, there are two things, biceps and triceps. Which two things are there? Biceps and triceps.
Triceps.
Okay, bache. Now you read from here the whole process.
The
The
whole
whole
process.
Gungun, bache, you stop now. Udita will read, beta. Okay, you mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Gungun.
the whole process is called the mechanism of muscles contraction, and it can be summarized in 3 steps.
Okay, when we are using our muscles, that time the muscles are working, they are known as contraction. And when they are not working, that time we are saying relaxation. So contraction and relaxation takes place when the muscular energy is used. Okay, bache. Read the first point, Udita, faster.
A
Ma'am,
message travels from
Who is saying ma'am, beta?
ma'am, I am Supriya, ma'am. What is the meaning of summarize?
Summarize means, like in the short form, we will tell you how the contraction of muscles take place. Summary means in a small story form. Okay. Understood, Supriya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bache, now mute yourself,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Okay, Udita, you read this first
a,
point and then you also mute yourself. Come back,
a
say again.
message travels from the nervous system to the muscular system, triggering chemical
Triggering.
reactions.
Triggering means different
Triggering
chemical reactions will take place. Now our brain is there which is giving message to our body to perform the function. So here the nervous tissue is giving message to the muscles. And at once triggering means just like a gun is there and we click the trigger and at once the reaction takes place. That way. Okay, I am muting all
okay,
bache
ma'am.
because so much disturbance is coming. Somebody is speaking. So I am muting all. Okay. Samvedana, unmute yourself. Samvedana, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, just give me a second. Hina Singh, unmute yourself. Faster, bache.
Yes.
Okay, I have unmuted 2 students. Okay. Aradhya, unmute yourself. Aradhya. Okay. Now, Samvedana, I have unmuted first participant is Samvedana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Read this the chemical reaction.
The chemical reaction lead to the muscles fibers
Reorganizing.
reorganizing themselves in a way that
Shortens the muscles. The muscle.
that
That's the contraction. That's the contraction. Say Samvedana. That's the contraction.
that's the contraction.
So that means whenever our muscles are working, the muscles become short and stiff when they have to contract, when they have to do work. Work means contraction. Okay, Samvedana. Now, who is the next
Yes, ma'am.
participant whom I have unmuted? Samvedana, and the
Ma'am,
next one is
Hina.
Hina, bache. Read the third point.
Yes, ma'am. When the nervous system signal is no longer present, the chemical process reverses and the muscle fibers rearrange again and the muscle relaxes.
So when nervous system does not give any signal to the body that you have to perform the function, that time your muscle gets relaxed. That means that time the muscle is not doing any work. Okay, bache, understood? Okay, now I will
Yes,
share
ma'am.
I will stop sharing my screen and I will now give me just 1 second to share my whiteboard with you so that I want to write whatever I want to write, the important points I can write. Okay, just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, beta. Okay, fine. So, one word, one girl has written when the movement of fish is going on. Streamline body. Okay, Hina, please say the spelling of streamline.
STREAMLINE.
Yes, streamline body. Fish is having streamline body. And
Yes,
why
ma'am.
the fish is having streamline body? Because the streamline shape helps the water to flow around and withstand pressure. That means whatever pressure is there, fish is able to move smoothly inside the water because of the streamline body and the presence of fins. Do you know what are fins?
Yes, ma'am.
And when they have to move forward, they move with the help of, they are having the tail. Forward as well as side by side with the help of tail. And their tail
Yes,
swings from
ma'am.
side to side. Okay. And when the tail swings from side to side in a direction opposite to that of tail, that is called lateral drag. What is that called? Lateral. I am writing the spelling. Lateral drag. I will repeat this again. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Lateral. Lateral drag. So what is lateral drag now? When it helps the head of the fish to swim from side to side in a direction opposite to that of tail. Fish head is moving, but tail is moving in opposite direction. That is called lateral drag. What it is known as? In a
Lateral drag.
Okay. Okay. Now who was the another participant, beta? One more was there, na? Samvedana, Hina, and one more was there. Her name started with A, I think so. Okay. So I think so, and you have understood this. Aradhya, I think so, I have unmuted. Okay. Ridhima, unmute yourself. Okay. Not unmuting. Okay. So we have done about, now we have done about cartilage, which is not very hard, flexible bone, present in the joints, present in the nose, ear. Okay. Then we have done about the contraction and relaxation of muscles. Then we have done animals movement. We have done about fish, how the fish moves, about the lateral drag. Okay, understood? Now, let 1 minute. Anybody wants to ask anything? I am unmuting all. Let first just 1 minute. I will stop sharing my screen.
No,
for
ma'am.
Okay, bache.
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
No,
Anybody
ma'am.
wants to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I've given chance to all.
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Say your name, beta. Excuse me, ma'am.
Adaptive.
Say your name, beta. First, say.
Ma'am, what is the meaning
Ma'am
of fuse?
Udita.
Udita, 1 minute, Udita.
What is the
Bye.
Excuse
Ma'am,
me,
my
ma'am.
turn never comes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of
In every class, ma'am, in every class of
Suhana Sharma, Udita Sharma. Who is saying my turn did not come every time? Okay, Udita, 1 minute. Udita, unmute yourself. Unmute, beta. I've given you permission.
Ma'am, I couldn't understand what is the meaning of cartilage.
Cartilage. Cartilage are the soft bones, bache. Like in a when we are talking about bone. Suhana, you also unmute. I've given you permission. Most of the girls are saying I want to ask something now only, na? When teacher is teaching. That time you people are not asking. Okay. Paranika also 1 minute. Paranika, you also unmute.
Yes.
Okay. Which girl was saying which girl did not get chance? She's saying
Ma'am, Guneet.
Guneet. Okay, Guneet. 1 minute. Give me time, bache. Just give me 1 minute. G-U. Guneet Kaur, unmute yourself. I've given you permission.
ma'am,
Yes, Guneet. Say, beta.
Ma'am?
Say, bache. Bolo na. I'm listening.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, my turn never comes of reading.
Okay, no problem. Next time, first you will be the first one. Okay. First one you will be.
Okay, ma'am.
I will write your name today. Now, Parnika, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of fuse? Ma'am, it is in the contraction and
What is the meaning
relaxation
of? What is the meaning of?
Fused. Fused.
Fused. Fused means we're
Ma'am.
coming in contact with one another. Where it is? Where it is? Contraction and
Ma'am, in
relaxation.
contraction and ma'am, second paragraph, seventh line. Become fused.
Contraction and relaxation, you are saying.
Yes, ma'am, second paragraph. Seventh line.
Yes, all these contraction takes place so quickly that they become fused into one action. That means whatever part, girls, please don't speak in between now, na? Just wait. So they are saying when all the movement takes place, so they takes place in such a way that they all come together faster. Fuse means all are coming together and performing the work inside our body. Like soft bone also, hard bone also. Okay, and wherever contraction, relaxation, this happens so fast inside our body that we think that all our parts are connected with one another.
And ma'am, I
Next
do
time you
not
can ask,
understand
now listen.
pectoral bridle.
Okay, Parnika, now you wait. You please mute yourself. Disturbance is coming from your side. Okay. Parnika, I have unmuted. Udita has asked me the question. Who else is there who want to ask the question? I have unmuted that girl. Okay, if you have any
You have
problem.
unmuted Jessica.
Jessica. Okay, Jessica, you want to ask something? Okay, listen now. If you have any doubt, Ashley, what do you want to ask, bache? I have to stop the class also, no, bacha. Ruko. Ashley, just 1 minute. She has left the class or she is there? Okay, Ashley is there.
Ma'am, she
Unmute
is
yourself,
there.
Ashley.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want to ask, beta?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of secretion?
What is the meaning of?
Secretion.
Say the spelling.
Ma'am, secretion.
Secretion. Secretion.
Yes, ma'am.
Secretion means like different things which are made inside a body, like juices are made inside a body. When they are formed, usko bolte secrete. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is this one now, bacha? Say your name.
Ma'am, Udita.
Udita, say beta.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of streamline?
Streamline is बच्चे जब दोनों corners pointed होंगे ना, from front also back also. When you draw the diagram of fish, you see the front part is also pointed and the back part is also pointed. Then you make the face and the back part you make the tail. That is known as streamline.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
बच्चे.
ma'am.
Suhana, what do you want to ask? Say faster. Suhana is having doubt. Okay. S-O. Okay, unmute yourself faster, बच्चे. Fast. Yes.
Ma'am, on page number 106.
106. Okay, say.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the skull.
Yes.
Ma'am, the skull bears jaws help the animal for cutting and masticating its food.
Yes, skull bears jaws. Means in the skull, ये जो आपका brain, ये जो head है ना, इसमें आपका jaws है. Jaws means जो आपका mouth है ना, they are having the jaws. जिससे आप बोल सकते हो. So in that, the animals are using for cutting and masticating. Cutting means काटते हैं food को, as well as masticating means chew करके उसको खाते हैं. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
If the lower jaw is not there, we will not able to speak. तभी तो हम माउथ को खोल के हम खाना डालते हैं ना उसके अंदर बच्चे. Understood?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे. Okay, I am muting all. Okay, now you all will say bye to me. I have unmuted you all. Okay, बच्चे. Bye, everyone.
What is the meaning of adapt?
I will give chance to Guneet surely next time.